In this lesson, you'll learn how to digitally manipulate a logo so it's easier to view. In our video, the Flow Arts logo, it's really hard to see. It's dark with a dark background. I'm going to show you how to add a stroke to the logo to make it more visible to the audience. Open the Flow Arts logo.png in Photoshop. First thing we're going to do is make the canvas area bigger. Get the crop tool in Photoshop and drag the crop up to the left and down to the right and press return. Get the magic wand tool. If you don't see it over here, it's the fourth tool down. Click on it and hold down the button until you see the menu. And it's on the bottom, magic wand tool. Select the dark blue area in the F and then go to select drop-down menu and click on similar. When we click similar, it's going to select everything that has that color. Do a shift, select the blue A. We're pressing the shift to select multiple selections. If some of the selections go away, you'll need to reselect them. Select similar. It's going to select all of the light blue letters. This lesson will continue in the next video.